Hi there, have you ever thinking to convert your Instagram comments into sales?
But I know it's kind of hard to learn comment Django and also it's a guide.
अपनी रील्स को वायरल जाना कि आपने सही में शेयर करके मुझे फॉलो नहीं किया।
इसको यूज करने तो कमेंट में लिखो सेव, स्टेप बाय स्टेप गाइड आपके डीएम में पहुंच जाएगी। अब आप
तुम इस वीडियो को पैक कमेंट कर दोगे, मैं तुम्हें अपना पुराने 20 GB का एडिटिंग पैक कर लिंक डीएम में
करना है आपको वायरल टूल, मैं आपको सामने से डीएम करके वो टूल सेंड कर दूंगा।
Hi everyone. Today we're starting a very interesting video series where, over the next 30 days, I'll be introducing you to some amazing and informative AI tools that can significantly help develop your skills. Through these, I'll demonstrate how you can possibly earn by the end of each video. If you want to join us in this challenge, please show your support by liking the video and commenting "support" right now.
Hello and welcome. Nowadays on Instagram, you often notice creators having so many engagement on their posts. They get this by asking their followers or viewers to comment with specific words like tag, yes, giveaway, comment, or something like that in their post. When viewers comment, they receive the mentioned link or giveaway directly in their inbox by the creator. If you were thinking that the creator personally sent messages to each commenter, then you would be mistaken, my friend. This all process performed by AI bots. Let's explore how they do this. At first, make sure to professionalize your Instagram account. Link it with your Facebook page. Navigate to your setting, then select Message and Story Reply setting. Enable Message Control and allow access to the message option. Next, visit the ManyChat website and sign up for free. I'll give the link in first comment. Okay, now connecting both your Instagram and Facebook accounts. You can connect your Facebook page with your Instagram account here. Choose the automation option and select Convert Instagram comments into sales. Set up a trigger using keywords your viewers might use in your comments. Before going for the automation, make sure you have published the post where you have asked for the comment to your viewers. Okay, and here you will see post from your Instagram, and you need to connect that post with this, and later you can select here which keyword you want your viewers to make this. So if you ask them for leave there any comment like checklist, so you can go with checklist. Okay, and then now here in second step we need to make that message what will go to their inbox. So when you make this done, you can simply save, and here you can see our trigger is ready, and in their message we are going to send them a YouTube link. Okay, so it will automatically go to their inbox when they comment anything to our post. And in free version you can go with 1,000 free chats. Enabling automatic replies is from your Instagram account to their DMs based on these triggers. This will do automatic reply from your Instagram account to the DM based on these triggers. So that's all for today. Hopefully you'll find this video helpful in boosting your engagement on your Instagram account. For more tips, follow and subscribe, share. Thank you.